Echo guitars can shimmer softly through tapes. Walking slow along the shore, searching for a little more. Every wave that meets the sand feels like wisdom from the land. Heavy bass beneath the sky, like a river flowing by. Every echo through the night fills the darkness with its light. Deep melodic bassline settles into a hypnotic groove. Tape echoes ripple endlessly across the stereo field. Feel the vibration moving low, like the ancient rivers flow. Every heartbeat starts to rise underneath these endless skies. Echoes of the sacred these vibrations of peace. Dub sirens echo faintly in the distance. Spring reverb expands across the horizon. Sacred bassline, shining like a hidden sign. Heavy roots forever strong, carrying the soul along. Echoes of the sacred bassline, guiding hearts through space and time. One vibration, calm and free, flowing like the endless sea. Soft ocean waves and distant thunder beneath warm vinyl crackle. Zion winds begin to blow through the valleys far below. Moonlight paints the silent sea, calling ancient memories. Walking where the shoreline bends, where the earth and ocean blend. Every breeze carries a song, teaching hearts where they belong. Heavy bass beneath the sand, moving like a guiding hand. Every echo softly speaks to the strong and to the weak. Deep, 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 deep melodic bassline locks into a hypnotic groove. Heart Close your eyes and drift away. Let the roots begin to play. Every burden fades from sight in the calmness of the night. Conscious soundscape of Zion winds, where the healing journey begins. Heavy roots and deep bass flow like the rivers long ago. Conscious soundscape shining bright, guiding souls throughout the night. One vibration strong and true, bringing clarity to you. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Beyond the noise of every day, there are deeper, wiser ways, where every soul can breathe and see.